Thank you for joining the channel, where I share my passion for growing plants and caring for flowers every day. To provide you with more options for taking care of your Anthurium plants at home, today I will share a new organic fertilizer method made from easily accessible ingredients that are readily available in every household's kitchen. With just a few simple care steps, you will see your Anthurium plants become vibrant again, start developing roots, sprouting, and especially blooming with vivid, long-lasting flowers that stay fresh much longer than before. If you're looking to improve the condition of slow-growing plants with few flowers, don't miss this method. Let's get started. To make the organic fertilizer today, I will use a familiar, simple, yet highly effective ingredient: garlic. Garlic has long been known as a natural remedy for plants, often used as a fertilizer, a biological pesticide, and to naturally enhance plants' resistance. Today, I will use 4 garlic cloves like these. Though small, each garlic clove contains a wealth of beneficial compounds for plants, especially anthuriums. Garlic contains allicin, sulfur, and strong antibacterial compounds that help prevent fungal diseases, repel harmful insects, and promote healthier root development. For anthuriums, a plant that loves moisture and is quite sensitive to fungi and pests, garlic is a powerful ally in keeping the plant healthy, producing strong shoots and blooming consistently year-round. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After slicing the garlic into thin pieces like this, I will place all the sliced garlic and its peels into a clean glass jar. Slicing the garlic thinly helps maximize the release of allicin and other antibacterial compounds in the garlic, making the solution more effective for plant care after fermentation. Next, I will add about 500 milliliters of boiling water to the jar. Boiling water will help activate the bioactive compounds in garlic, especially allicin, enhancing its antibacterial, antifungal, and insect-repelling properties for the plant. After pouring in the boiling water, you just need to seal the jar tightly and let it steep for 24 hours. After 24 hours of steeping, when the nutrients from the garlic have fully dissolved into the water, I will proceed to filter out the garlic residue. You can use a fine mesh strainer or clean cloth to separate the clear liquid, completely removing the soaked garlic residue. After filtering out the concentrated liquid, the next step is to dilute this solution with 1 liter of clean water. Diluting is essential to ensure the solution is mild enough and won't shock the plant. Method 1. I will use the diluted garlic solution to wipe the leaves of the Anthurium. This is one of the most effective ways to care for leaves, especially when the plant is in the growth phase or preparing to bloom. You only need to prepare a piece of cotton or a clean cloth, soak it evenly in the solution, then gently wipe each leaf, making sure to wipe both sides, especially the underside, where insects and fungal diseases often reside but are easily overlooked when caring for plants. The garlic solution contains antibacterial, antifungal, and natural antioxidant compounds, helping clean the leaves, eliminate pathogens, mold, and prevent harmful insects like mealybugs and thrips. Additionally, when you clean the leaf surface, the plant can absorb light better, photosynthesize more effectively, and open its stomata more easily, which is extremely important for the plant's sustainable development, especially for plants with large, thick leaves like anthuriums. After some time applying this method, you will notice the leaves become glossy, thicker, and less prone to diseases, while the plant develops better roots and starts sprouting and blooming more regularly. With this method, you should wipe the leaves about once every 2 weeks, or more frequently during the rainy, humid season, when plants are more susceptible to fungal diseases and bacteria in the air. Method 2. I will take a portion of the diluted garlic solution, put it into a spray bottle, and proceed to mist the Anthurium plants in the garden. The misting method not only helps evenly distribute nutrients onto the leaf surface, but also creates a natural protective layer, helping the plant resist fungal diseases, bacteria, and harmful insects. When spraying, make sure to mist both the top and underside of the leaves, especially the leaf axils and stem base, where pests often hide. The garlic solution will help wash away dirt, gently disinfect, and enhance the plant's resistance, making the leaves glossy and less prone to yellowing, spotting, or wilting at the tips. Additionally, periodic spraying with an organic solution like this helps the plant quickly absorb nutrients through the leaves, promoting metabolism, encouraging new roots, young leaves, and flower buds. You can apply this method every 7 to 10 days, depending on weather conditions. On hot, humid days, or when the leaves show signs of dryness or lack of vitality, just one light misting can help the plant recover quickly. This method is not only convenient, but also extremely effective for those with many potted plants in the garden and want to care for them all at once, saving time. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Method 3. For the remaining solution, I will further dilute it with another 1 liter of water to reduce its concentration, creating a gentler, safer mixture for the plant's roots. This time, I will use the twice diluted garlic solution to water directly at the base of the Anthurium plants in the garden. Root feeding with organic garlic water not only provides natural nutrients to the plant, but also helps disinfect the soil, limiting the growth of harmful fungi and microorganisms around the roots. which are often the cause of waterlogging, root rot, or stunted growth. Additionally, garlic stimulates rapid, healthy, and bright white root growth, creating conditions for the plant to absorb water and minerals better, thereby promoting shoot development, sprouting, and the formation of new flower buds. You can water the base with this solution about once every 10 days, especially after repotting, when the plant is weak, or after a long period without flowering. Results: when you consistently care for your anthurium with this simple method, the plant will become sturdier and grow more vigorously day by day. New roots will continuously emerge, white, healthy, and thicker, creating a robust root system that helps the plant absorb nutrients to the fullest. The leaves will become glossy, thicker, and darker green, clearly showing vitality and significantly improved photosynthesis. Even potted plants that haven't bloomed for a long time or are stunted will start producing their first flower buds after some time applying this care method, a promising sign of recovery and growth. And if you remain patient and consistent, your anthurium will not only be healthy and beautiful, but also maintain blooming year-round, contributing to a green, clean, and vibrant living space full of positive energy.